You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word, a traditional garment that is used in Mexico and Central America for more names from Mexican and Nahuatl. I believe it was Aztec before, was it? I'm not sure. Anyhow, locally in Mexico it is said as huipil. The H is silent, the U is pronounced like an U, huipil, huipil. The stress is more on the second syllable in Spanish at least, or locally huipil. So in English, huipil, huipil. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.